What's up guys, we have a really special video today. We're collabing with Kevin from TrapBistroTV and we're right outside of Saigon City in Westminster, and what we're gonna do today is we're going to get a live catfish, have them fry for us, and then we're gonna take it back for a little mukbang.
What's up? It's your boy Kevin, TrapBistroTV in the house, baby. And Dan the man already told you what we're about to do. So let's get it.
Let's get it.
Alright, we're gonna head to the seafood department. That's where the good stuff's at. Just skip all these, you know, durian and stuff here.
Oh, durian. Oh, shoot.
Jackfruit, my bad.
Jackfruit, some Vietnamese delicacies.
Hey, you see these catfish right here? That's not what we're coming for, baby. Let's come on over here. Some good stuff. They don't get fresher than that.
Getting the fresh one?
If that don't get your taste buds going, man, I don't know what will. Cái con này khoảng bao nhiêu thang chú?
4 con mấy.
Okay. Okay. Con này đi.
Damn. They don't play around. Chiên ở đây hả?
Yeah, chiên đây đi chú.
Để nguyên con.
Để nguyên con. We're about to clean that bad boy up. Gut it, take all that out. And they're gonna deep fry it for us.
Alright my gang, so we just got the fish, nice and fresh. It smells delicious.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, we're here in Kevin's house. He showed me great hospitality and invited me over so we can mukbang, eat this fish, and give you guys a little review of the Saigon City freshly fried catfish. We got the Mukbang here, the Vietnamese fish sauce with the chilies. What kind of chilies are those?
Peppers. Oh, some hot Thai chilies up in there. Whole lot of them, fresh from the garden.
Yeah.
As you guys can see in the trap house, we got all sorts of plants and vegetables growing. That's what we like to do.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around after, but Kevin has a nice backyard going around here. There's a bunch of plants. There's even a dragon fruit tree back there. If you guys have seen my exotic fruit tour, you would know that I really like dragon fruit. So yeah, I'm about to dig in. Let's do it.
Man, let's go. Man, this thing is nice and crispy. It's fresh.
Yeah.
You guys see that right there? Mmm.
Alright.
Still crispy.
Let's see.
I guarantee you guys haven't had fried catfish like this.
Gotta get a nice juicy piece right here. I'm gonna do it without the fish sauce first. Oh my god. You guys hear that crunch?
Yeah. It's nice and juicy on the inside, but it's crispy on the outside.
It's super crispy on the outside. It was deep frying for about like 10 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
See these guys in the back, that's all they do all day. These like fish butchers, all they do is cut and clean fish and fry them, so they know exactly how much to fry each fish, no matter how big or small it is.
If you guys don't know, there's a very classic Vietnamese meal. Just fish with fish sauce and chilies. Right here is the go-to. And I got some rice right here too. But Kevin here is on keto, so I'm gonna be eating this rice by myself. So guys, if you guys know about seafood, you know you gotta have it really fresh. And as you guys saw in the video, this is the freshest of the fresh. They killed it. They cooked it right there in front of our eyes. And yeah, that's just how fresh it is.
Yeah, you pick the fish they want. They come, they show it to you, as you guys already saw. You give them the okay if you want that fish or not. If you don't want that fish, tell them to take it back.
This is delicious, guys. Super crispy. Alright guys, so this fish was about
4.5, 5 pounds.
4.5, 5 pounds, 5-ish pounds. It ended up being just 20 bucks.
Yeah.
For this fresh fish.
It was like $4.79 a pound, something like that.
Yeah.
But that includes them cutting, cleaning, and frying it. I mean, that's a great deal. That's classic trap food right there, you know what I mean?
It's like getting a fish at a restaurant for a very discounted price, because you get this whole fish somewhere else, it's gonna be way more than $20, I'll guarantee you that. And
like if you're on lunch break and you don't know what to do, you're like, damn, man, everything is all carbs. Just go down to your Vietnamese supermarket. Get yourself a fresh fish.
Yeah,
fry it up.
Yep, bring a whole fried fish into the office, you know, with the fish sauce.
Make friends.
Yeah, no one will smell a thing. I can't get over how juicy and fresh and flaky this catfish is, guys. This is the best type of catfish. We don't like the other type of catfish, if you know what I mean.
And now that we have Dan in the house, after this, we're gonna whip up some trap food. Have you ever had trap food before?
No, I have not. But yeah, that's gonna be on his channel. So if you guys want to see us whip up some trap cheesecake, check out the link down below and come over to his channel and see what we got for dessert.
This is legit.
It is legit. The fish, like Kevin said, it's not like marinated or anything. They just cut it up and deep fry it. That's why you gotta dip it in this, the homemade Mukbang fish sauce. It's called fish sauce for a reason, to eat it with the fish. But yeah, that's what gives it that flavor right here. Just the skin. I'm actually surprised. I'm actually amazed at how crunchy the fish is still. We've had it in the car for like 20 minutes on the way here.
Yeah.
And it's still like, it tastes like it's fresh.
I mean, you guys can hear it. You guys can hear that crunch on that fish skin when we're eating it. So.
Yeah, if you guys crave some, you know, authentic Vietnamese, what would you call this, cuisine, right?
Yeah.
Want some authentic Vietnamese fish? Just go by your local Vietnamese market and have them fry up a fish for you just like that.
It's like a hidden gem. A lot of people don't know about that. People don't know you can go inside the Vietnamese supermarket. They may be intimidated because those men, like, they may not really speak English. But you just go in and you point to what you want. You let them know to fry it. Use, you know, body language. Body language is a universal language. So you just tell them to point at that fish. Tell them to put it in the hot oil, and you're good.
Sure, yeah. And there's also a couple of Hispanic workers too. So, and I'm pretty sure they speak Spanish. Yeah. Actually, I know they speak Spanish because there's actually.
Because they also didn't speak English either.
Yeah, yeah, they're speaking Spanish. So, my Hispanic subscribers, you guys got a leg up.
Buenos dias to all the Hispanic subscribers.
Yep, if you guys want to go to the Vietnamese markets. But I'm sorry, white people, you gotta learn how to speak Vietnamese. Like you said, body language.
Yeah, like a hidden secret, man. For $4 something a pound, you got some fresh catfish.
Fresh catfish.
Live catfish.
Restaurant quality too.
Yeah.
This is some of the freshest fish I've eaten. I'm not just saying that, it's really fresh.
So because we're in the trap house, we kept it simple with just Mukbang, chilies, we call that uk, and then white rice. With white rice, you know what I mean? But you guys can be as fancy as you want. Sometimes we'll get lettuce, banana blossoms. What else they put in there? Pineapple. And they make wraps, vermicelli and benchang, which is rice paper. Yeah. The same stuff you make spring rolls with.
Yeah.
And then you'll dip it in like a different type of Mukbang. It's bomb. It's made from fish too.
But maybe next time we'll make you guys some fish spring rolls.
Yeah.
So we're about halfway finished with this fish, guys. We got side A almost demolished, and we're gonna move on to side B. Let's see.
A lot of people think the tail's the best part. Some people think the head or the eyeballs. Let me know in the comments what you guys think is the best part of the whole fish, all right? And if you guys eat whole fish with the head still on, because some meat chang people, they don't do that, bro. They don't eat fish with the head on, so.
Yeah, meat chang means white people, by the way. Yeah, guys, again, this fish is super fresh, flaky. It doesn't have, in Vietnamese it's called tan. How would
like
you translate?
Fishy smell, like
that fishy smell, yeah.
Like
when it's not fresh, basically, it doesn't have that
rotten smell. That
rotten seafood smell when it's not fresh. You know, it just the aroma of this fish. All you can smell is just crispy, the batter, and it's just really fresh and delicious. This is some A1 fish right here.
That's right. One thing I like about catfish, and not the tilapias, which they have there too, live, is that the bones are like big. It's almost like boneless. You just turn it over and you eat around it. It's not all super bony like the small fish.
Yeah, because it's really big. You get a lot of the protein. Let's flip it.
The other side.
Time to flip. Ready for this?
Yeah. Let's see if we can live up to our Viet skills. If you can't flip, man, you're not real for it. Ooh wee.
Ooh. Look at that, guys. Kevin has the cutest dogs too, by the way. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Their names are Chex and Romeo. This is Romeo. Say hi, Romeo. This is Chex. He's the wild one. So cute. So yeah, we're actually getting pretty full because this fish is super big. You can even see the bones. This fish has actually really big bones, not those little small flaky ones that can, you know, slip in your throat.
Ruin your whole day, yeah.
Yeah, so if you are eating this, do be careful for the bones. I don't want to be liable for anyone's medical bills. But a pro tip, if you guys, knock on wood, I hope you guys don't, but if you do, pro Asian tip is swallow a big blob of rice and it'll wash down your fish bone. That might save one of your guys' life, so thank me later. While we're here in Cindy's beautiful garden and backyard, I thought to try one of her fruits. This is an orange right here. See how sweet this is. If you guys are into gardening, you guys should check out her channel. It's called Orange Jungle. Link down below. Pretty sweet. All organic too.
But that's a straight, what, 4.5, 5 pound fish. It's all meat, guys. Look, there's barely any bones on there. All protein for the gains.
All protein.
Yeah, we're getting pretty full here.
Yep. So I think that's it for this food review of Mukbang. You guys should check out Kevin's channel. I'll link it down below. TrapBistroTV. And I think that's it. So comment down below where you want us to eat and try out next. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video. And see you guys in the next one.
All right.
Deuces.